Hey guys, thanks for tuning in. I want to just show you something here with these Braun cartridges. So I got two sets. I have a set of 6-pack and a set of 4-pack. Same thing. I just want to show you the two different configurations you can get them in. So you can get them in the 6-pack, as you can see here, or the 4-pack. Either way, they have the lemon fresh scent to them, which is really quite nice. So I just want to show you what they look like. This is the box they come in. This is how it looks. And let's open one up. I just want to show you what they look like and actually how to install them. So let's open up one of these boxes. Just open right up. So simple. Let's see. There we go. Right from the top. You can see here, here's the actual 4-pack itself. And what's cool about this is that, and the Braun, I do like the Braun quite a bit. I like the brand. It has a simple snap-on and snap-off design, which is really easy. So when you want to put this in your actual Braun shaver, your electric razor, you just pop this off. I save these. That way, when it's time to change it out, I basically just swap it out, snap on the new one, and then discard the cartridge. It does have a honeycomb filter that helps filter out the little pieces of hair, which is nice, and keeps the razor lubricated and working perfectly. So let's just pop this in real quick. I'll show you how to do that, and let's do it right now. Okay, so now I'm actually in the bathroom, and here is my Braun razor, and I'll show you how to access it. There's a little button back here. You press that button, and it raises it up, so you can see that. See, there's an actual hole, and this cartridge basically just slides right in here. So that's easy enough. What you want to do is first take off this cap, like I told you. So let's get that cap off first. Just hold it. I would hold it flush down. Pop it right open, just like you see there. Let's smell this. That smells nice. I like that. So that's all you have to do is basically, so once you just slide it in, slide it to the actual itself, you can see that. Push it down, and now that is good to go. That is locked. Here's a razor. Take out the razor, and then I'm just going to start the cycle. All I do is press the button. You can hear it already starting to just flush and clean the razor. The razor goes on. Hopefully you can hear that in the background. And the razor will go through its cycle, cleaning itself on and off. It'll go through its whole cycle. When it's done, it'll basically dry off itself, and that's it. That's all you got to do. It gives you an indication here when it's low, tells you when to change the filter, the cartridge itself. And I do save the pack. I do save this, like I said. So I save these little things. When it's done, good to go. That's it. So I just wanted to show you that. Hope you enjoyed this review. Absolutely love it. Thanks for watching.